Friday market preview, Nifty stays neutral amid mixed Q3 results and rising oil prices. This Friday morning, GIFT Nifty is treading water as traders react to Infy and Reliance Q3 results. Overnight, RIL GDR was up 1.9% while Infosys ADR were down 5.6%. Meanwhile, the two big headlines: 1. WTI oil spiking to $80 per barrel, hovering near 6-month highs. 2. Headlines surrounding Trump's tariff plans and as the 20th January inauguration approaches. Long story short, record exodus from the foreign institutional investors continues to the biggest headline. This January so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 43,258.10 crores. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4342 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2929 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are at oversold zone on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.46 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.58. Nifty outlook, an up and down session quite likely. Caution will be the buzzword. Nifty, CMP to 3311. Support, 23,200 to 23,150. Resistance, 23,400 to 23,450. Range, 23,150 to 23,450. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 49 to 78. Support, 49,000 to 48,950. Harsh resistance, 49,550 to 49,600. Range, 48,950 to 49,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty was in demand in yesterday's trade and most importantly, the benchmark reclaimed 23,300 mark. The positive catalyst, the street is optimistic that the Federal Reserve has room to continue its rate-cutting cycle throughout the year. Meanwhile, the three big catalysts. 1. The Federal Open Market Committee's next policy meeting on January 28 to 29. 2. The Union Budget 2025-26, scheduled for 1st February. 3. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Buzzing stocks. 1. Life insurance stocks are in rally mode after HDFC Life Insurance's healthy Q3 earnings. HDFC Life zoomed 8% higher in yesterday's trade. 2. Railway stocks like IRFC, plus 4%, RVNL, plus 11%, and Ercon, plus 15%, zoomed higher on expectations that the government may increase rail budget by 18% in FY26. 3. Reliance Industries Q3 net profit rose 12% to record high of 21,930 crore rupees for the quarter ended 31st December, driven by strong performances in its digital services, retail and oils to chemicals businesses. RIL GDR was up 1.9%. 4. Axis Bank Q3 results missed streets estimates as net profit rises 4% YoY to 6,304 crore rupees. 5. Infosys ADR were down 5.7% after the firm reported an 11.4% annual increase in net profit, reaching 6,806 crore rupees for Q3 FY25. Revenue grew by 7.5% to 41,764 crore rupees. The company also raised its revenue growth guidance for FY25 to 4.5% to 5%. 6. The corporate India's Q3 earnings season to trickle in today. Wipro, Jio Financial, Tech Mahindra, SBI Life, Indian Hotels, ICICI Lombard.